Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis quite a few times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And as you can see, the price has made quite a bit of a move since the last updates that I've done. So let's get some things updated. And the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Going to get rid of these lines here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but in the spirit of not having 8 million annotations everywhere, that can cause clutter and confusion. Just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. And the more I look at it, I'm actually going to get rid of that line right there. Now, the first update comes based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act, and you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched the past videos and maybe remember me talking about 635 as resistance, now that the price is above it, this would be more so that overall area of support where you really do want to see the price stay above it. The last thing you want to see the price do is go back to where it was. And if the price falls back below 635, well, then that puts it back inside of this range right here. And that's just not what you want to see. Whereas the price falls down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even at that point in time, this set of lows would still be higher than that. And, you'd still have, a nice upward staircase. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above that point right there at $7, that would make the chart look by far the strongest. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $7 that everything's ruined or anything like that. But like I said, if the price can stay above there, that is definitely, top preference. That would be, the best case scenario. There we go. Those are the words I was looking for. Now for the fun stuff. What about potential battleground? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these areas of resistance? For this, we're going to have to scrunch up the chart here, which is always a good problem to have, going way back into the chart's history. So in other words, the price has not been up this high for quite a while. The first area of resistance right here, oh, that makes perfect sense why the price is struggling where it is. Right here at 755. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, if you look back here through the history of the chart, first you can see right there the price is struggling right around this level. But if you look back here, surprise, surprise, the power of charts. The price also struggled there and actually got rejected from it. Now, I'm not saying the price is getting rejected. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling, at this current area right around $7.55. If the price can break through 755, the next key level of resistance right up there around the 775 mark. So 755, 775, next two key areas of resistance. But no doubt about it, very nice move over the past few days. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher bases, that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interest in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.